Alright, so Payoneer allows us to create foreign bank accounts that we can use to receive money from different online marketplaces where you do some of your work. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're a freelancer, stuff like that. Payoneer is going to allow you to create different foreign bank accounts that people can pay you through or pay you with. So you now receive these currencies in dollars or any currency that you've used, and then you can now convert it to your Nigerian naira. So in this video, I'll just show you exactly how to create a Payoneer account from scratch to finish. So I'll set up everything, and then we can now officially have a Payoneer account. So the first step is you need to go to the website, but use this link, because if you use this link, you will be getting a $25 free. You get $25 free from Payoneer for using this link. All right, so if you go to the website directly, you will not be able to get this. So if you just go to goodnoel.com/Payoneer, goodnoel.com/Payoneer, you'll be able to get $25 free from Payoneer. So this is they're waiting for it to come up, and then we are basically up. All right, so again, if you go to the main website and you just click register, you are not going to see this sign up and earn $25. So you are seeing this because I am referring you. So make sure you use the link goodnoel.com/Payoneer. I'll put the link in the description of this video too. It's going to be the first link. So you use it, and then you come to here where it says sign up and earn. So you click that, and then we are on the phase to start creating our Payoneer account. So Payoneer is going to ask you a few questions if you want to use this as an individual or as a business. So you are an individual, so you pick individual. If you use a company, they are going to ask you a lot of questions like your company registration and stuff like that. You probably do not have that, so you just use an individual because you are an individual. So you need to put the name and the email address and re-enter the email address, and then enter the date of birth. So I'm just going to put the names I want to use to create this Payoneer account. So let me just get it because all right, so I'm going to block this because these are personal information. So you put an active email address. All right, you put an active email address. You can use any email you want. So again, you need to rewrite the email address, like reconfirm it. So I'm just going to reconfirm the email address. So I'm going to be slow so that you understand all the processes involved. So I'm going to be like very slow for you. These are the things I do for you. So let me put the date of birth. So I'm just going to come here and use the calendar. So you select the year. Let me select the year. Make sure you are using correct information or correct information, so that when the time might come when they want you to verify your account, so your information will tally, or your information will tally with what you've submitted before. So you will not have issues, so that when you have money, you'll not be having issues. So make sure you provide correct information. So we are done filling that, so we just click next. So here it picks our country by default because we are in Nigeria. If you are not watching this video from Nigeria, you can just click here and select your country. But I'm recording this video from Nigeria, so you have to put your address. Again, make sure you use your correct address. So let me find the address I want to use for this, and then I'm going to put it here. So here you need to put your postal code or your zip code. If you do not know the zip code of where you stay, you just go to Google and ask Google the zip code of where you stay. Let's say you stay somewhere in Enugu State. So you can just say zip code for, let's say, new layouts. There's a part in Enugu called new layouts. So you can use that. You can use your name, your town name. So as you can see, it's showing me different codes. New layout is a part of Independence layout, I think, if I remember properly. So you can just copy it and put. Alright, so let's go back. You put your zip code or the postal code. Alright, they are basically the same thing. So you have to enter your phone number and receive a code. So let me use my phone number. I hope they will allow me use this phone number because I've used it before. So you tell them to send you a code. So let's see if they will send a code to my phone number. Yes, so they sent the code. I'm just going to put here 229182. 229182. So you just click next. Alright, so we are ready to go. It has picked out our email. So let's just select a password for our Payoneer account. So I'm just going to input the password. And so I have to re-enter the password. So you need to set a security question to protect your account. So you can just select your security question, anyone you want. When is your mother's birthday? What was the name of your first pet? Blah blah blah. So I'm just going to say which was the first country you visited. I'm just going to say Ghana. All right. And then you come here and you select your means of identification. So I'm just going to select if you have the national ID, this can fly. If you have the driver's license, great. If you have international passport, fine. So if you do not have, if you have NIN, the normal NIN, that's fine too. So I'm just going to use this NIN. So here you have to put the number, the NIN number, which is now your identification number. So I have to again check it out and put it in. So you need to enter this code below here, and here it says MEC64. All right, and then you click next. So we are basically done. You now see that we have Nigeria, we have the currency. We need to add an account number, a Nigerian account number. So I'm just going to put a Nigerian account number here. So this is going to be 023 Alright, so I've added the account number. So you need to agree to the terms, and then of course you have to agree to the terms. So you click we need to select a bank. Why is it not coming up? Okay, here we need to select the bank. So we just come here and click select bank. This is GT Bank, Guaranteed Trust Bank. And now you hit submit. So it says your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. So it says the application has been successfully submitted. It says we will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once our application has been reviewed. Now, once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and you can begin receiving payments from around the world. So we need to wait for an email that will confirm that we are now ready to start using Payoneer. So let's see if they have allowed us go on. So we still have to go and check our email and see if we are ready. So let me log into the email. Where is the email? So now you can see that they sent us two emails. This one says that our account is under review, and then it says we are reviewing your application for a Payoneer account. It will take up to 3 business days. Once approved, we send you an email that you can start receiving payments. Alright, so let's go back to the other email. They want us to confirm this email, so I'm just going to click it and say verify my email. So as you can see, it says here, thank you, you have successfully verified your email. So we are now going to wait for the account approval, and when they approve the account, we can now start creating our international currencies. So I'll continue this video when they approve the account. Now has been approved, and as you can see here, it says congrats, you can now start using your receiving account. So they say we should take a quick tour, but we are not ready to do that yet. So let's go back to our email and see if they sent the approval email. So I'm going to go back and refresh this email. So here it says your application has been approved. Alright, so your application here has been approved, and then we can now go back and see our receiving account. So let's say no, we don't want to use this. So let me just come back here. This is the home, and then you can see what you can use this platform for. So you see automatically we get 3 foreign accounts. We have the US dollars, we have the euros, and we have the Great British pounds. All right, so right here you can get paid and pay, and you can withdraw and transfer, and you can see your banks, and you can equally get a card from Payoneer. So if you come up here, you now see that we have 3 accounts. Let's say you want to get the receiving account. All you have to do is click here and come to receiving account, and then we can find a USC account that has been created for us. So this is a USC account we have. As you can see here, it says new, and we have not received any payment from here. So you can come to view details, and you will see the account that have been created, and they will tell you what you can use this account for. So you can use for local bank transfer within the USA in USD via the ACH networks. Only payment for business transactions from business accounts are supported. So people cannot pay into your Payoneer account from personal account. It has to be business related. So here you can see we have the accounts here. So we have, this is the beneficiary name, this is the bank name, this is the routing, this is the account number. So that is for the US dollars. You can close it and go back and check for the British pounds or the rest that we have there. So let's go back and check for euros or euro. So now we equally, this is the Great British pound. Where is the euros? So let's just view the details for the Great British pound. They are probably still creating the euros. So it's the same thing. You can view your details, and then they can pay you in pounds from there. So again, it's the same thing. You can only use this thing for local bank transfers. So this is the UK bank name. It says Barclays. This is the sort code and everything. So I'm just going to close that too. So you basically have international accounts, foreign accounts, by just using Payoneer. If you want to create other accounts, we need to have received at least $50 into either your USD account or your pounds or your euro. So as you can see here, so let me close this. I'm not interested in this. So from here, as you can see, it says need more receiving accounts. You have to
earn another $50 or its equivalent for you to be able to unlock other accounts. So you can get I think a Japanese account and a whole lot of them. But these ones are basically okay for you. Let's just find the euros. So we have seen the pound and then the dollars. So now let's look at this is the euro. Let's see if they've created that for us. So they've not, but after a while you are going to get the euro account. All right, so we are basically done. We now have cards. We can now start receiving payments with this. So what happens when you want to withdraw your money? You can withdraw your money directly to the account you have provided. However, you should not do that, because when you send it to that account, the Nigerian banks, they are going to convert it into their own exchange rate, and their own exchange rate is low. So you don't want that. So you'll be losing money and you'll be making money for the federal government or the banks. So it's better for you that you create a DOM account, or you can just sell your Payoneer funds. All right, so let's click withdraw and transfer. So you can withdraw to bank, all right, or you can manage your currencies. So let's say you want to withdraw to bank. It's going to give you the bank account that you have attached. If you have a DOM account, you have to add it again, like we added in the first video. If you've not watched the first video, I'm going to put it in the link to this one, or I might just merge both videos so you can just have one video and move on. So let's wait for it to come up. So as you can see, this is a GT we added in the first account. So you just need to select the balance you want. So currently we do not have any money, but you just select the balance. These are the three accounts they've created for us. Let's use the US dollars, and then let's say we want to add um, the minimum withdrawal. We don't have any money, that's why it's not showing us anything here. If we had money, we can just select it, and then all you have to do is click here and say review. They are going to review it, and then they are going to send you your money. But again, do not send it directly to a Naira normal account. Yeah, the bank is going to convert it directly for you. If you have a DOM account, you can just use it, so that way you will receive the main currency and you can then sell it at your rate. All right, so let's talk about the cards. If you come here where you see here it says banks and cards, you can manage all your account. This one is the one for withdrawal. We've talked about this one, and this is the foreign accounts. Now this is the one we've not talked about. Payoneer will give you an online card, and you can use this card to make payments. They can even send you the physical card, but you have to reach you must have received at least $2,000 or its equivalent before you can request for a card. So basically, we now have international bank accounts using Payoneer. This is how you create a Payoneer account that is going to help you receive money from different parts of the world. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Goodnoel. Bye bye.